the lightning robot.
Look, Veer. I've made so many paper boats for all of us. We will float them in water when it rains.
Sure, Emily. Look up there. The clouds are thick and black. It can rain anytime now.
Emily, you call those boats? These are called paper boats. Look at them. Your boats can't even carry a bee. Who are you?
What do you have to say about my boat? Look here.
Can you stop this magic right now? How many times have I told you not to do such magic tricks in public?
Why did he make fun of Emily?
You know how Bunty is. Get everything back to normal right now.
This Bunty will never learn to behave.
Nor will this ginger know what to do and what not.
Veer, once the rain starts pouring, we can organize rain dancing.
Okay.
Timbuktu, this is a lightning robot. This will go up in the sky and freeze all the clouds by pouring ice powder on them. Then there will be no rains in Fusatganj. Ha 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 ha!
You are genius, boss. Super duper genius. In the absence of rains, the people of Furstatganj will cry for a single drop of water in the drought. Ha ha! Then we will arrange for water tanks and sell water to them at a very high price. And with that profit, we will become millionaires. Ha ha!
Have you taken an oath to talk nonsense throughout your life or what? I don't want to start any business of water. When the clouds will freeze, then VIR will go up in the sky to melt them. And who will he find there? Tell me? Tell me?
Who else? He will find you there, boss. And you will try to capture and bring him here. But, boss, he will beat you up black and blue as always.
I am mad. Very, very mad. He wouldn't find me. He would find the lightning robot. This lightning robot will finish VIR and bring him here. Then I will study his entire technical system and build my own new robot.
Meow! You're a genius, boss. Super duper genius.
She is right, boss. She is right. Hey, lightning robot. Can you really throw light around? If you can, do it, then show a demo to my boss.
Stop! Stop! Timbuktu! Stop!
Grandpa, these clouds have been there for so many days, but it doesn't rain at all. These clouds are also not moving.
And the heat is increasing day by day.
And Grandpa, we really don't understand what should we do now. All the crops will go bad if it doesn't rain, and there could be drought too. Okay, Grandpa, we'll get going now.
VIR, I have checked it already. It seems like somebody has used a very strong scientific formula and managed to freeze these clouds. I will give you a cylinder now. There is a medicated powder filled in it. You need to go up in the sky and spray that on those clouds. As soon as you spray it, the clouds will get back to normal.
But who can freeze the clouds just like that? And why will he do that?
I really don't know that, but maybe he wants to stop the rain and create a drought situation here.
Grandpa, you give me that powder cylinder, please. I will go up there and spray it on all the clouds.
I will go too. I've never been on the clouds.
I'll go too. I'll carry a lot of carrots too. We'll sit there, relax, and munch on them.
Grandpa! Grandpa! Huh? There's a spaceship in Grandpa's house. Where are they going? I'll stay quiet and watch them.
Okay, Veer. And yes, I forgot to tell you one thing. This cylinder should not fall on the ground. Otherwise, there will be such a big blast that the entire Fursatganj will be destroyed.
Okay, Grandpa. I will be very careful that the cylinder doesn't fall on the ground. Bye, Grandpa. These clouds are completely frozen as if they were ice. Okay, you guys enjoy your picnic. I will start spraying this chemical powder from the other end of the clouds and then come here. Roboboy suit on.
Roboboy suit on.
So where is the Roboboy? I had a doubt about it already.
My donkey sense tells me that someone is present here, who is watching us very closely.
Bunty, what are you doing here?
You ate my carrots? How dare you! I will...
Mommy! Help me! Mommy!
You two go inside the spaceship. It is dangerous out here. This is all arranged by Mad Max. Go right now.
Help me! Weir's friends are harassing me! Please, please help me!
Enemy's enemy is always a friend. My lightning robot, take this boy in our shelter.
I will not leave Chulbul now. He kicked me so hard. I will take revenge for his kick.
Oh, so his reaction time is late. Very good.
Bunty, my brother, my friend, sorry. You can eat all my carrots if you want.
Oh, you're really very nice. If I eat all the carrots, then what will you eat, Chulbul? You better eat some lightning. Lightning!
Where did he disappear now?
Goodbye. We will never meet again.
Veer, are you alright there?
Thanks, Emily. I am fine. No!
This cylinder should not fall on the ground. Otherwise, the entire Fursatganj will be destroyed.
Huh? That is Roboboy. But who is the other one?
Veer! That cylinder should not fall on the ground. No matter what, it should not fall on the ground. Go catch it now, Veer!
Okay, Grandpa.
How come the lightning stopped coming out of my body? Huh? Huh?
Imlay, Trouble, come on. We need to go back. Chintu Bunty has seen so much that he shouldn't have. Make him forget everything. Send him back to where he came from.
Huh? Grandpa, my mommy has sent these sweets for you.
Listen, Veer, it's pouring now. We will go and float the paper boats. And Chobu, we need to do the carrot dance as well, right?
Not carrot dance. It is rain dance.
You guys can do the rain dance. I will eat carrots and do the carrot dance. Hee haw, hee haw.